the next one. Grabe yung anticipation and pag-ride mo.
Grabe pagulat.
Grabe yung pagulat.
So 7 and 8?
3.
7 and 8? 2 and then 1.
Thank you.
Ano daw?
7 and 8. Seven, go.
Ikaw dito sa una ka?
Finally, we're here. We're waiting for our card. Sana yung anticipation ni Norman na maganda talaga to eh. Maganda talaga. Kasi we waited for almost 2 hours. Actually,
Grabe.
it's not a joke to wait. Kasi wala naman kaming perang pang-express eh. Pag-express ka siguro mga 30 minutes lang kasi mag-aantay din naman. Pero 30 minutes is good. Kaysa sa amo na 2 oras.
2 oras, grabe, no?
So, it's long journey for us just to ride this Super Mario. So the anticipation is so high. So let's see. Because after here, we're gonna go to Transformer. That's the last ride that we're going to go. And then we're